While I am Rana, the topic for our discussion today is the growing importance of liability insurance. Growing importance of liability insurance. There is a lot of awareness today around health and life insurance. However, few people realize that multiple insurance policies are also available specifically for professionals. One important option for medical professionals and institutions is liability insurance. So medical practitioners often work in high-risk environments where even the most skilled face unforeseen complications and challenges. With advancements in medicines, illnesses and diseases are also becoming more complex, posing additional challenges for doctors. New drugs, innovations and advanced treatments are emerging, but come with their own set of risks. Consequently, medical practitioners face increasing pressure in their practices. A rising patients' volume for various treatments add to this. So, heightening the risk of errors even among the most skilled doctors. The shifting medical landscape highlights the importance of protecting healthcare practitioners through specialized insurance to ensure they are covered during complex situations. A liability insurance provides a safety net for medical practitioners, shielding them from multiple legal liabilities that may arise from negligence, malpractices, or obstacles during medical interventions. If a patient suffers due to any form of negligence and seeks compensation, liability insurance can assist in covering the medical practitioners. So this coverage protects practitioners from complaints by patients or their families, allowing them to focus treatment without fear of potential legal repercussions. In today's environment, liability insurance has become an essential safety net for the medical community. So despite rigorous training and best practices, the possibility of patient dissatisfaction or harm cannot be eliminated in the complex medical field. It is increasingly common for patients or their families to file lawsuits seeking compensation from hospitals or practitioners. This type of insurance typically covers the legal expenses needed to defend the practitioners or hospitals from malpractices claims, including costs for legal representations, investigations, and any awarded compensation. The premiums for these insurance policies vary based on the professional's specialization, such as cardiology, nephrology, gynecology, or surgery, with general physicians and radiologists typically paying lower premiums. So independent practitioners and those with clinical establishments can also opt for liability insurance. Geography plays a role as well, with location affecting the level of risk and thus the premium amount. So by purchasing liability insurance, a doctor effectively transfers the risk of legal implications to the insurance industry. However, liability insurance comes with certain exclusions, especially for intentional misconduct. Exclusions cover actions beyond legitimate medical practice, such as sexual misconduct, misuse of drugs, intentional administration of lethal modifications to release lethal medication doses, or unauthorized drug experimentation or reckless drug administration. In such cases, the insurance company will not offer coverage and the medical professionals will be liable for any legal and financial consequences. The medical inflation in India is rising by 10 to 12% annually, making health insurance increasingly crucial. Our liability insurance has only reached 50 to 60% of its potential market in the country. This indicates a substantial need and opportunity for liability insurance, which can offer greater protection to doctors and medical professionals, and even every kind of professionals. So, instances of families filing false lawsuits against medical institutions or professionals for financial gain underscore the importance of liability insurance in safeguarding healthcare providers against unfounded claims. At a time for the medical community to consider this type of insurance to protect their profession and practices. So, following years of challenges marked by rising claims and poor underwriting results, the general liability insurance market stabilized in 2024. Rate increases moderated for many policyholders, with most premiums rising from 4% to 5%. So, this is a notable improvement. This is a notable improvement. Over the double-digit rate increases from previous years. Our heart conditions persist for high-risk sectors and businesses with poor loss histories. So, due to frequent claims and legal risks, industries such as construction, affordable housing, and hospitality still face unique challenges. So, in the year ahead, insurers will prioritize profitability with stringent underwriting practices. While market capacity remains healthy, insurers will continue to evaluate businesses based on their risk profile and industry and past claims. So, liability insurance in India specifically, there are certain factors driving the market stabilization. The improved outlook stems from several key developments, including increased capacity, stronger financial performance, data-driven insights. As far as litigation is concerned, rising costs in general liability insurance are heavily influenced by increases in investment from hedge funds and financiers in liability law firms. Biometric technologies like facial recognition, iris scans, fingerprints, and voice prints are increasingly used for security, access control, personalized marketing, and attendance tracking. However, they pose a significant privacy and security risk. Improper data collection, processing, sharing, or storage of biometric data can lead to costly lawsuits, especially if data is compromised. If data is compromised, that means risk management strategies have to be adopted, because partners with your insurance advisor to gain insights on current market challenges that may impact Your rates leverage their expertise to create tailored loss control measures. As far as liability insurance policies are concerned, there are a number of policies because liability insurance protects businesses against financial liabilities resulting from injuries to any person or property damages. It provides coverage for any legal cost or debt that the responsible party is found legally guilty of. However, this policy does not cover claims for intentional damages, criminal prosecution, and contractual liabilities. So, in today's litigious environment, individuals and businesses confront the constant threat of legal actions and claims filed against them. Whether it's a flip side and fall, accident on business premises, or a custom managing property damages caused by a faulty products. So the dread of financial liabilities is ever present. Such liabilities can swiftly escalate into expensive legal battles without adequate protection, causing substantial financial strain and reputational harm to all parties involved. So to reduce these risks and ensure financial stability, the adoption of liability insurance becomes imperative. This specialized insurance coverage acts as a safety net for the individuals and businesses. It provides financial security against claims of bodily injury, property damage, and legal expenses, safeguarding their assets and reputation amidst adversity. The liability insurance is covered under general insurance policies. The scope of liability insurance in India is defined by the Public Liability Insurance Act 1991. The policy provides coverage for the following financial expenses incurred due to the lawsuits filed against the insured, expenses incurred during investigations and settlements, financial coverage for the fees of investigation officers or hired lawyers after being sued by a third party, medical expenses incurred after an accident on the insured person's premises that led to a third party claims, and medical expenses incurred after an accident from any of the insured person's product or during official operations, or any loss or damage caused to the third party's property while visiting the office of the insured person. The types of liability insurance policies are many in India. There are different types of liability insurance policies that are available. Some of the most common liability insurance policies are, say, public liability cover. The public liability insurance protects individuals and businesses from financial liabilities arising from bodily or property damage to third parties, excluding employees caused by their operations or premises. It is essential for businesses that interact with the public, such as retail stores, restaurants, and service providers. Then professional indemnity cover. Professional indemnity insurance, also known as the professional liability insurance, offers professional safeguarding against allegations of errors, negligence, or omissions in the services they deliver. Professional liability insurance is crucial for professionals such as doctors, lawyers, consultants, and architects who provide services to clients. Then directors and officers liability insurance. Directors and officers liability insurance safeguard corporate directors and officers from personal financial liabilities arising from claims of wrongful acts or decisions made in their official capacity. It is essential for companies of all sizes and their executives, including directors, officers, and board members. And then employers' liability. Employer liability insurance, often associated with workers' compensation, protects employees protect employers from financial liabilities arising from work-related injuries or illnesses that employees suffer. It is mandatory for employers in India to purchase workmen compensation insurance policy for their workers. Then third-party liability insurance. Third-party liability insurance protects individuals and businesses from financial liabilities arising from claims made by third parties for bodily injury, property damage, or other losses caused by insured actions or negligence. It is crucial for individuals and businesses in various industries, including construction, transportation, and hospitality. Cyber insurance. The cyber insurance protects businesses from the financial repercussions of cyber threats and data breaches. It covers a range of incidents such as data breaches, hacking, ransomware attacks, and business interruptions caused by cyber incidents. With the increasing frequency of cyber attacks, cyber insurance is becoming an essential component of a comprehensive risk management strategy for businesses. The liability insurance coverage is designed for companies or individuals who are held legally liable for injuries or other issues mentioned above. So this type of insurance policy is more suitable for doctors, hospitals, businesses, professionals. For instance, if a product manufacturing company sells an item that unintentionally causes loss or damage to a customer, the consumer may file a lawsuit against the manufacturer. However, if the manufacturing company has obtained a liability insurance policy, the insurer will cover the resulting loss or legal expenses provided the damage was unintentional. This coverage offers financial security to businesses facing legal claims to lawsuits arising from unintended incidents, ensuring their assets are protected. Thank you. Thank you very much.